Modern society sidi yamatuna ahong balak pasuna miyoy bida stress ama piraktuna puning wakal gi oiba laina na pigwana mamoirakli haina Zenims ki director Professor Elu Saranina nungnang ba phongdokre Zenims ki psychiatry department ki head of department oramba Dr. R.K. Lenin da sayis ki lifetime achievement award lanthokre Indian Psychiatric Society Manipur State France na sindona Imphal ki porompatala Zenims ki adatari hamda pangthokiba Manipsycon 25 ki annual conference hogdopki tharamda wafamasi phongdokhibani tharamada director na makha taraduna conference asiki theme oriba the future of psychiatry in a changing world asi hojiki matam asika yamna sunai puning wakhal oibalaina asulai bada clinical psychologist khakta natana nurse amadi support staff sing thodang yam saurakli medical students sing da hena khudong sa na bagi tama curriculum da psychology ki matang da hena meeting pihaningi counseling early diagnosis amadi immediate treatment sathaba sina wakal puning oiba na treatment tawda sawna mating oigani haina phongdoki thoramada da Indian Psychiatric Society Manipur State France ki president Professor ki Shantibala Zenims ki MS Professor ki Lokeshwar yauna lamdamasi basak naraba clinical psychiatrist Zenims ki staff amni mahiroi kyan sarbiya ki
Curriculum of the undergraduate medical education should also give more emphasis on the psychiatry so that the doctors who are going to come out as Indian medical graduates, they have more skills, particularly talking with the patients in the communication skills and the counseling and other skills so that we can quickly identify what problems, what mental health issues the patients are having. Prevention is the most priority, prevention of any health issue, whether it is physical health or mental health. To provide or to accomplish that prevention and early diagnosis, as I belong to community medicine, we give more emphasis on prevention, early diagnosis, immediate treatment.